Meaning of hyperlink.
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 Hyperlink. A hyperlink is a selectable link in an electronic document that takes the user to another location, such as a web page or a specific section within a web page. It is usually highlighted with a different color or underlined to make it stand out from the surrounding text. Hyperlinks provide a quick and convenient way for users to navigate between related content without having to manually search for it. They are a fundamental component of the World Wide Web and have revolutionized the way we access and share information online.